Customizing your settings in workflows. Start by navigating to the Workflow Builder and click into a particular workflow that you'd like to update the settings for. At the top, you'll see a menu for Actions, Settings, History, and Status. Click into the Settings tab. You'll see a list of various settings. Let's review them now. First is the time window. You can choose any time or a specific time. If you select any time, this will allow messages to be sent from the workflow at any point in time. If you choose specific time, you'll be allowed to customize a window. Maybe you only want messages to go out Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maybe you only want messages to go out 7 days a week between 6 and 10 p.m., etc. You can completely customize the days and times that you wish to include. Moving on to the sender address, you can customize the from name and the from email. For contact management, you can choose to toggle on or off the allow multiple. If it's toggled on, this will allow an individual contact to go into the same workflow more than one time. If it's toggled off, the contact will only be allowed to go through the workflow one time. Toggling on the stop on response will stop the rest of the workflow communication from being sent out if somebody responds to a communication within the workflow. Next, we have conversation management. You can choose to toggle on the auto mark as read if you'd like. You'll see that by default, automated messages that are sent are not marked as read within the conversation section. If you toggle this on, they will be auto marked as read. In the top right corner, make sure you click Save to confirm any of the changes you've made to the settings. You can always come back and make adjustments later. Be sure to switch the workflow from draft to publish mode in order for it to run. That's it for now.